This is my first video ever on YouTube, but today we will be opening a bunch of Pokemon. Okay, let's get into this. We have all this. I'm not going to show you what it is, but I'm going to show you some single cards first. So these are not gifts for you guys, but I just want to show you some of the things I got. I got this Entei promo from 2001. I got this Krakana. It's actually hard to say. I think it's from, I'm not too sure, but I think it's Neo Destiny, and this is just the old school promo. Those are cool. Those are out of the way. Let's get this. This. And we have a sleeve, just one sleeve, which is horrible. I forgot my sleeves. So, and I can't go get them because they're actually at my house. This is my grandma's house. So, and we don't live in California like we're in California right now. And I'm not going to tell you where. Okay, we live in Utah. But, yeah. So, we got that all done. Let's open up this first, okay? Wow, this is hard. Okay, there we go. Got our tin ready. A tin, now 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 a tin. Okay, so we have our cute little Pikachu coin. We've got our art card. It says number 387. Tiny leaf Pokemon. Okay, I'm not going to read all that, but what packs do we get? We get chilling. Here, hold on. Sorry, you guys can see me perfectly fine. Just there was this thing my computer wanted me to do, so yeah, Chilling Rain and Fusion Strike. Let's open up some Fusion Strike here. Ooh, we got a good code card, everyone. We got a good code card. Green white code card. There's the code for you, y'all. Okay, so 4 from the back. Okay. Oh, before I show you these cards, like and subscribe. Okay. I don't really do guess the energies. I will do it for the Chilling Range, just in case you really like it. Let me just put these coins away. Okay, they're all good. Okay. Looks like we have Sandslash. I don't think we have anything good in the back. Sandslash. Swadaloon. Hopefully you guys can see. Got Power Tablet. Shinx. Bunnery? Yeah, Bunnery. I don't know how to say that. Basculin Boo. Basculin. I'm having a hard time. Basculin Blue Form. Hopefully you guys can see me. It's not just dark in here. Grubbin. Mankey. Growly Reverse. And Greninja V. Pretty good. I will say that. I'll take it. First ultra rare of the day is a Greninja V. On first pack. That's actually pretty good. First pack magic. Okay. Chilling Rain. Dang it. Not a good code card. We could get a secret rare. I don't know what I'm talking about. Oh, there's the code card for you. Hopefully you guys can get those because I don't need them. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 from the back. Okay, I'm not going to say the names. Oh, I forgot to do guess the energy. Is that a reverse? Nope. Okay. There's a reverse. Back to back. It's happened. This is like my third time that's ever happened to me open up Pokemon cards. First pull of the day. Don't worry. I have sleeves. Just they're at home right now. That was pretty good. And let's open up a Japanese pack. Oh, I already see them. These look awesome. I've never opened up Japanese. I have one old school Japanese card, which is like in not too good condition. It has like there's a bunch of, whoa. Look at the backs of those. Those are way different than English. Hold on. Whoa. Holy crap. Is there even a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Is there a pack trick to this? Okay, let's go straight through this. There's not even a code card. Okay, we have him. We have him. Him. And is that a, I can't tell if that's a rare, but that might be a rare. Those are Japanese cards of the day. Only one ultra rare. We need some luck. Okay. To last item. Deoxys, VMAX, and V-Star. And V. Just, the box does not say V. And I'm not telling the box not to say V. It just does not say V. Let's open this baby up. I was expecting to actually tear this thing open, but I'm glad I can just keep this in good condition. Oh, I just hurt myself. Kids, careful! Box is sharp. I'm just kidding. Cardboard is not sharp. Why did I say box is sharp? This didn't make any sense. Like, boxes can be made out of metal, so that does make sense. But what am I talking about? Let's get into the Pokemon mood. Whoa, what is that? Upgrade guide, I guess. That's weird. Yeah. Some trash blue on your face, and wow. Got our giant Deoxys V-Star. Our 4 TCG booster packs. Got Last Origin. Okay, so we have two Last Origins. Whoa. Sorry about the light. Okay, there. Hopefully you guys can see me. But we've got Last Origin. Another Last Origin. Astral Radiance. And Brilliant Stars. Then there's our V-Star. Here we go. Scan that for me. I don't need it. I mean, I used to need it, but now I don't. Then we've got Deoxys VMAX. That is beautiful. Deoxys V-Star, the regular one this time. Deoxys V. I will put sleeves on these one day. One day? What does that even mean, one day? Okay. Up first, we have Brilliant Stars. Hopefully we can pull an Arceus. Arceus, give me some luck. Oh, wow. I've never opened it like this way. I guess this is why YouTubers, Pokemon YouTubers open it like that. It's way easier. Ugh! Ugh! I got a bad code card. Okay, there's your code card for you guys. And then we have 4 from the, let's do it. I feel texture. Bro, I feel texture. Bidoof. What is that? We got Electabuzz. Ha. Luca. Oh, I see something. Oh my gosh. Guys. Boozle. Gibble. Okay. Energy. Weevil. Dusclops. Morgum. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is what the sleeve depends on. Oh, it's depending on a sleeve. My gosh. And I got a bad code card. I don't know what this is, a secret rare. Comment down below if you know what. And then we have a Flygon rare. It's not really that good, but still. Like, what the heck, bro? Look at that. Holy crap. Hopefully you guys get all those code cards, because I really actually don't need them. But if you don't want them, that's fine. Just please take them one day. You don't have to get them right now. You can get them one day. Put the bulk in the bottom of our pile. Why am I doing that? Well, because I don't have a binder for any of them. And up next, Astral Radiance. Oh, and a good code card. Oh, I almost put it down. There's the code card for you. For y'all, if you need it. Okay. I don't know if it's just a hollow. I don't feel texture. Guys. Okay. Hisuian Quillfish. Yeah, okay. Rivet. What the? Wait, what? Card 88. Card 80. A different version of the Hisuian Quillfish, but okay. Why do they have to make 2 versions of the same card? Oshawott. Hoot hoot. Energy. Spicy seasoned curry. Actually, maybe that tastes good. Maybe it doesn't. I don't know. Corilla. Wait and see turbo. Okay. Klein and Hisuian. If you can pronounce that for me, comment down below. Regular hollow. That's pretty good though. Pretty good hollow. Okay, guys. Down to the last 2 packs of the day. 2 Lost Origins. Let's go with this bro right here. This bro. Forgot his name. Zor, maybe? I don't know. I'm aggressive with packs. Let's destroy it. Oh. Dang it. White code card. We did get a white code card, but do remember, we got that secret rare from it. Okay. And it's not like every time we're going to get it. Remember, this is my first video, so leave a like and subscribe now. Like and subscribe. Smash the like button. And how about you use your little Deoxys hand and slap that subscribe button. Or use your nose to hit the subscribe button. Wait, I don't remember. Did I? Oh, okay. 4 from the back, yo. Okay. Okay, that pack, I promise you, I'll do guess the energy. Keep on forgetting. Water energy. Iscan. Machoke. Silcoon. Litwick. Sorry if you guys can't see, just there's this little thing right there for my, so I can't really get that close. I can get like this close. Okay, that's good. Okay. Spinarak. A palm. Okay. Clefairy. That was a weird impression. Slugma. Whoa. Hello. Oh, hi guys. Actually, hi. But choke and. Ooh, that's an awesome. Wait. Okay, we got Machoke and Dustox. See that? Okay. We got the Machoke non-reverse, and we got the Machoke reverse in it. Oh, you already saw it. We got non-reverse and reverse. Slap that card, well, that basically pack, to the bottom of your thing. Let's open and do some Guess That energy. Bad code card again. Ugh. Okay. There it is. Oh, wow, that's upside down. There it is for y'all. Okay. 4 from the back. Dark energy. Ugh. It was an electric energy. I didn't actually think of it. Electric energy. Torkoal. Arizu. Don't mind me. I don't know how to read Pokemon names. They give them weird names. Yeah, I actually literally don't. Comment down below if you know his name. Litleo. Mienfoo? I think that's how you know it. Litwick. Snover. Rhyhorn. Phantom. And 3, 2, 1, Poliwrath. Thank you for watching though, guys. Hope you got those code cards. See ya. Pew. Oh, see you in the next video. Bye.